How's it going, bro? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Fritz, and in this video I'm going to explain you exactly how to remake the track Hold On from Fisher. So in this project I'm not going to use a lot of samples because some of you guys actually called me out on just using too many samples in my tutorials, and this video is going to be more with presets from Serum. And just for you, I actually uploaded this specific project file on gumroad.com, so you can basically work on it yourself, see exactly what I've done there. You can purchase it, have a look around, but let's get straight into FL Studio now. So the first thing we need to start with is the kick. So I found this specific sample again. Make sure when you decrease the length of kicks that the wave, as you can see here, is kind of starting again. So like if you do it like that, that's basically not the best way. You should do it like this, because then you can't hear the click that much. For example, like this, you can hear too much. Then the second thing we need is an organ bass. So let's break it down. This organ bass is made up first of all from oscillator 1 with this kind of distorted saw wave, and also this little sine wave. As you can see already, we deducted 5 semitones, which is like an extra layer. So as you can see already, this specific distorted saw wave is responsible for the sub frequencies, and this is just for the top end of the bass. I can hear already also on the effects, I can hear a distortion, which is this one here, with a downsampling. So now let's write a bass line. And as you can already hear in Fisher's Hold On track, he basically uses this kind of organ bass, but he also uses like a saw wave in the middle, which is basically responsible for like this deepness, this like low frequencies. We're gonna go again on Serum, and this is the preset. It's basically this like saw wave. It's 2 saw waves. This is the top layer, and this is the lower layer. So let's write a melody now. If you've gotten any value from this video so far, please make sure to like it right now, subscribe to my channel to not miss out any tech house production or house music production tutorials in the future, and also comment below this video what exactly you want me to cover in the next videos. Is there any tutorials you want me to cover? Is there anything you want me to go more into detail, how to mix tech house or whatever that might be? And also check out my music on Spotify. I have a lot of tracks which are going to be released in the next few months, so I definitely get excited for that. So now we need a vocal, but because obviously I don't want to use the same vocals as Hold On, otherwise I'm going to get copyrighted, and we do not want that. I'm going to use some other pretty female vocals. Let's see what we come up with. So I found those ones here.
I saw the whole world down for you, if you want me to. I saw the whole world down for you, if you want me to. I'll make it all up to you, if you want me to.
So now let's work on the drums. That's a good one. Please make sure you use the right samples, because sound selection of one track is 80 to 90% of the finished project. Mixing and mastering, yes, it brings out the best of the track, but actually using the right sounds make up so much of the track, and you should definitely not underestimate this kind of skill you need to develop to use the right samples and to like know which pitch they do have to be in, which samples are actually matching together, which are not matching together so well. I also want an extra hi-hat layer, so that's why I chose this one here.
I saw the whole world down for you, if you want me to.
It's all layers, baby. So this clap contains, I think, 2 or 3 layers. 1, 2, yeah, 2 layers. One is the natural clap, but it doesn't have like this energy behind it, and this has the energy. So together it's sound like this. Then I also want to add some sort of percussion, something like a shaker loop. And yes, I have to tell you, there's nothing wrong with using samples and loops, because you can create your hi-hats yourself. You can go into a studio and record a hi-hat sample yourself, but really what's the point?
I saw the whole world down for you.
So what we need now as well is some sort of like very subtle and very quiet background pad, something which sounds really pretty, which is kind of matching to the vocals. I'm using Labs because it's a great plugin to use like really nice string samples, and I think this is really cute. So I came up with this specific string pattern. Now I want to add another layer, something which sounds like dun, 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 dun. Which is just this preset here. If you want to, by the way, speed up your house music production process, I created this specific template, which is available on gumnode.com, where you can basically save yourself all the time. You don't have to like assign all the channels. Everything is already colored. You have also master automations here installed. And you have also on the mixer channel 50 ready to go mixing and mastering chains ready for house music production. Make sure to purchase this template right now because I'm using this every single time I'm producing music. A lot of people actually purchased this already. I think more than 15 or 20 people actually purchased this template already. So make sure you're one of them. Speed up your home music production process. It just saves you a hell of a lot of time. Together the strings and this kind of pretty sample sound like this.
I saw the whole world down for you. If you want me to, I'll make it all over to you. If you want me to.
Now let's rock a little bit on the breakdown of the track.
I don't know how to, I don't know how to, I don't know how to let you go. I don't know how to, I don't know how to, I don't know how to let you go. I saw the whole world down for you. If you want me to, I'll make it all over to you.
There we go.
If you want me to. World down for you. I saw the whole world down for you. I saw the whole world down for you. If you want me to.
Here's the final project.
I'll make it all over to you. If you want me to. I saw the whole world down for you. If you want me to. I'll make it all over to you. If you want me to. And I've been thinking about you. I don't know how to, I don't know how to, I don't know how to let you go. If you want me to. I saw the whole world down for you.
Thanks a lot for watching this whole video, bro. Make sure to check out this video as well, which explains exactly how to produce tech house like James Hype, a really easy tutorial. And thanks for watching this video, thanks for subscribing, thanks for liking this, and I'll see you, bro, in the next video.